Hey guys, how's everyone? Chirag Saibal is joining his audio. Oh, he's not connected yet. Hey Rakhi, how are you? Where is my PowerPoint? No energy today? Chirag, where are you? Are you at work? Yes, अच्छा. तभी धीरे धीरे हाँ तभी you're not saying anything. That means no performance from you.
Ma'am, I am uploading. You can listen from there only.
Oh, you're doing YouTube now, huh? Nice. Good. How many subscribers?
Ma'am, only 20.
20 हो गए. Good. Last time कितने थे? Last time 18 थे कितने थे?
Yes, ma'am. Last time, ma'am, 15, 16 थे.
Ah, that's not bad.
Ma'am, I want 1 lakh.
Of course, होएगा देखना. Very soon you will see it. Viral हो जाएगा फिर हैं?
मैम क्या पता मैम मैं टीवी पे भी देखूं आपको.
I will be so happy. I will be the happiest teacher. Honestly, that will make my day.
Yes, ma'am. Every teacher will be happy.
Morning, ma'am.
Absolutely. Good morning, Saibal. How are you?
Fine.
Good, good.
Fine.
Good. Sorry, I couldn't do it last week. I was so tired, and I'm like, I know I'm not doing justice to all the students, but
Okay.
I didn't have the energy.
No
Thank you
problem.
for understanding. हो जाता है कभी कभी हो जाता है. Oh God, पूरा दिन बहुत निकल गया, मुश्किल से निकला है. Then just wrap up. I'm kind of in between jobs also, so और भी मुश्किल चल रहा है अभी. साइबल आज कुछ
मैम
सोचा है कोई
when
नया
will you
गाना? Come to India?
Yes,
Yes,
ma'am.
ma'am.
अच्छा पहले मैंने साइबल से क्वेश्चन पूछा था ना, वो शायद आंसर करना चाहता है साइबल. फिर मैं आपको क्वेश्चन आंसर करूंगी, उसमें ज्यादा टाइम लगेगा राइट? मेरे वाले क्वेश्चन में ज्यादा टाइम लगेगा.
गाना गाएंगे.
गाना गाओगे? कौन सा वाला?
बॉर्डर.
बॉर्डर का? ओ वाह, वो संदेश से आते हैं.
सामने से आते हैं.
हाँ, see I figured out for some reason. Nice, that's a beautiful song. करना फिर अभी हम क्लास थोड़ी देर में शुरू करेंगे. I don't have too many things. I just want to play the game and read a book. ताकि हमारी थोड़ी ना रीडिंग कॉम्प्रिहेंशन और इम्प्रूव होए. तो we'll do that. और क्या था? हाँ, अब आपका क्वेश्चन राइट चिराग. I want to come to India. Like I can come anytime, honestly. पंगा सिर्फ इतना है कि if I come to India, when I come back here, I have to quarantine. और my daughter goes to school in person. तो उसका पंगा ये हो जाएगा कि I can't meet her then, because then she cannot go to school. I can affect other kids, right? अगर कुछ लेकर आती हूँ मैं virus. So that's the only reason that I can't come. Otherwise, I would have come.
No problem.
So it can happen anytime.
I can understand.
Yeah, it is tough. My parents also want to visit. They will visit someday. We're planning to call them in December if everything works out well. अभी open नहीं है visitors का ना. It's not open. Hi Ashish.
Good morning, ma'am.
Good morning. Did you get a haircut? Looks nice. Yes. Ashish, you got a haircut? You must be thinking, if you can see it, why are you asking?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes. See, I could see that. Good. It's been 2 weeks, guys. Wow. The चिराग की दाढ़ी बढ़ती जा रही है. He's not cleaning it. आशीष ने बाल छोटे कर लिए. साइबुल ने एक नया गाना तैयार कर लिया. Okay, looks like Rakhi is saying we can get started. Anirudh is going to join in 3 minutes. Okay. चलो चलो चलो. Okay, what do we have? Game. अच्छा, मैंने game अभी upload नहीं करी थी. So you want to play the game first or you want to do story? Which one?
Game.
Game. मुझे पता था. I don't know how I need. Words नहीं दिखने चाहिए नीचे. तो words तो नहीं दिखे थे. नहीं दिखे किसी को. Good. I was fast enough. I was fast. ओके डोकी. तो कहाँ से शुरू करेंगे? वैसे शुरू करेंगे ऑर्डर में. आशीष, चिराग एंड साइबल. तो देखते हैं कौन अपना चमत्कार करता है इस बारी. अच्छा, you have to tell me the meaning of the word also, okay? And this time all the words are new. You look like a mess, but yeah, all the words are going to be new, okay? Hey Anirudh, you're here. Thanks for joining. अच्छा, अनिरुद्ध का ऑडियो नहीं कनेक्टेड. हेलो अनिरुद्ध. Anirudh, you can hear us?
How are you?
I'm good. How are you?
I'm fine, thank you.
Okay, so शुरू कर रहे हैं हम गेम. पहले कौन करेगा? आशीष, फिर अनिरुद्ध, फिर चिराग, फिर साइबल. And should we get started? Let's get started. Okay, Ashish, first you. Go for it. What do you think?
B.
B. B for?
D.
D for?
D dog.
D for dog. Dog. D?
Hmm.
Oh, that's okay. That's okay. Anirudh.
F for fish.
F for fish. Oh, that's okay. We'll try. अनिरुद्ध ऐसे करते हैं ना, उसके बाद स्माइल देता है, स्मार्ट देता है. Look at it. Cool. चिराग, your turn.
E.
E. आई आई आई. एक और टांग चलेगी इसकी. मतलब एक गई है. Let's see. We have 3 more lives. Saibal, over to you.
P for parrot.
For parrot. Ay ay
P
ay.
for parrot.
Okay. See, मैंने P किया. P is not there. Ashish, it comes back to you.
I.
बोलो. I for?
I.
I for ink. Ink. Oh, good job. You got one. Nice. Anirudh.
E for elephant.
E for elephant. अरे E for elephant तो हो गया ना. We couldn't get it.
R for rat.
R for rat. Pretty good. I think we are picking up. Chirag.
A.
A for apple. Aya. One arm left. And Saibal, let's see if you can save us.
S for sun.
S for sun, S for Saibal. Woo! There is an S. Super. Ashish.
N.
N for nest.
N.
Nest. ठीक है? Okay. Oh, it was squirm. Squirm क्या होता है? Anybody knows?
महंगा होना.
You know what? Even I don't know what squirm is. I'm going to Google it right now.
Google auntie.
Yeah, Google auntie से पूछते हैं, हाँ? Squirm meaning. Wriggle or twist. Oh, wriggle or twist the body from side to side. ठीक है? अपनी body को move.
क्या होता है मैम?
Squirm का मतलब होता है wriggle और twist करना. Your body be twisted, right? From side to side. उसको कहते हैं squirm. ठीक है? Twisting your body from side to side. Remember it.
जो वर्ड बनता है उसको लिखना यहाँ पे ऐसे
Okay, shall we do the next word? ये ना use किया करो अपनी vocabulary में. Write it down, use it. I know some words you cannot use day to day. You can just show your parents, hey, I'm squirming. What does that mean? I'm twisting my body from side to side, right? Just try using these words. Okay, next one. Okay, what is it? It's a long word for sure. There are about 7 words or 7 alphabets. So let's see who gets it. We'll start with Ashish again. Ashish, go for it.
उसको वहाँ लिखना, ठीक है? जो कोई वर्ड बच्चा लिखता है स्पेलिंग लिखती है जो यहाँ पे आ रहा है तो यहाँ लिखना.
Ashish, bolo. Your turn.
R.
R for?
R.
R for?
Rat.
Rat. Good job. Uh-oh. That's okay. That's okay. We'll get it. We'll get it. Ashish. नहीं, Anirudh. Over to you, Anirudh. Ashish ने तो अभी बोल दिया. Say that loud.
D for dog.
D for dog. Pretty good. Chirag, over to you.
Oh,
Oh, oh. Very good. We got 2 and we've only gotten 1 lifeline. So let's see. Saibal क्या करता है? Saibal?
L for lion.
L for lion. Lion. Oh, that's okay. That's okay. We'll pick it up. Ashish. Bolo.
T is cat.
T for?
Cat.
Oh, C
T.
for cat. C for cat. Got it. Oh, 1 leg gone. That's okay. That's okay. Okay, Ashish? Anirudh.
N H.
H. H for?
Hen.
N. Good. But no good. Another lifeline gone. You've got 2 lifelines, which is fine. Chirag, your turn.
hi.
Hi.
I.
Oh, I. I for ink. Oh. Should we take a look at the hint? Huh? Should we? We
No,
haven't
ma'am.
done it before. No? Okay.
No, ma'am.
Okay. I'll go with
Ma'am,
what you guys say.
We will try.
Okay.
the-
Saibal ki turn. Saibal?
P for parrot.
P
P for
for
parrot.
parrot. P for parrot. Okay, let's see. Whoa, pretty neat. Ashish, your turn.
Apple.
A for apple. Let's see. Oh no, stomped. Stomped pata na kya hota hai? You stomp yourself, stomp your foot like that. Gusse mein, when you're mad, right? Or something which is off, or something that didn't happen the way you expected. You say stomped. Okay. So kitne words kiye humne? 2. Which one was the first one? नहीं लिखा ना, किसी ने नहीं लिखा ना? Squirm. Squirm. And second one is stomped.
Oh.
Let's do the third one. This one has what? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Ooh, this is bigger than the last one. That means more opportunity because we have about how many alphabets? 26 alphabets. So 26 में से 8 तो इसी word में. You're left with only 18 then. Okay, who's gonna go? Ashish, let's start with you.
D dog.
D for dog. Ay. That's okay. Anirudh, our champion.
Queen.
Queen. Q for queen.
Yes.
Oh, that was a good one. Good try. Good try. Chirag.
U.
U. U for umbrella.
Yes, ma'am.
Oh, काफी solid था. Saibal.
बचा लो.
F for face. F for face.
F for face. F for fish. Oh, एक भी नहीं आया. There are 8 alphabets. We couldn't even get one. Okay. Take a deep breath. Think of an alphabet, and we'll go to Ashish. Ashish.
M. Mango.
Ah, M for mango. I like mango.
Mango.
आई 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 ये भी नहीं आया. अब है हमारा अनिरुद्ध.
For rat.
R for rat. Spotless. किसको पता है spotless का meaning?
Spotless का meaning दफन नहीं होता.
कोई दाग नहीं.
हाँ.
कोई दाग नहीं.
कोई दाग नहीं. Spotless means clean. उसका synonym अगर हो that means super clean. Clean. Yes. तो कितने words हुए अभी?
No.
Spotless. बट लिखो ना अपनी डायरी में तो spotless.
3 हुए ना? Spotless, squirm and stomped. ठीक है. अभी तक हमने कितने वर्ड्स कर लिए हैं? एटलीस्ट 20-25. So you all should, I should just do a test one day. You all should know those words. I should give you a list one more time and ask you randomly, what does this mean? What does that mean? है ना? क्योंकि हम एटलीस्ट 25 to 50 words कर चुके हैं, new words.
Yes.
Okay. So shall we do the next one?
Spotless लिखा.
Okay. Oh, this is even longer than the previous one. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. हर word में ऐसे हो रहा है. पहले तो 7, फिर 8, and now 9.
We are learning counting.
Chalo, let's do this one. Ashish, over to you.
Every time Ashish comes first.
Because when we change the word, then we start again.
H.
That's what I'm doing. H. H for
H.
hen.
Yeah.
Yes, good. Chalo, 9 words में से एक तो आया. Very good, very good. Anirudh.
And for nest.
N for nest. And I don't know. Oh, pretty good. I don't know if you notice one thing. There's a pattern.
Yeah.
All 3 words that we have done, they started with which alphabet? That's a hint. So there's a pattern.
S.
Yeah, Chirag ki turn thi, and he's going with S. Good job. Saibal.
K for kite.
K for kite. Let's see. Ay. That's okay. That's okay. It's a pretty long word and it's not that straightforward. Ashish.
Orange.
O for orange. Okay, never mind. We still have 4 lifelines. Anirudh.
R for rat.
R for rat. I think I know this word. I think I know this word. Chirag, your turn.
E.
Pretty good. Saibal.
A for apple.
A for apple. Pretty good. I think we're gonna get there. Ashish.
E.
E तो हो गया ना?
E अंगूर.
G, grape. What?
Oh, G. Oh, G. G for grape. That's pretty good. That's pretty good. I think we will get this one. I'm so excited. Anirudh, turn. Your turn.
Painting.
You.
Painting.
Searching. Yeah, even Ashish is saying searching. Cyber is saying
Mhm.
searching. And I know that Chirag also wanted to say it, but he was waiting, patiently waiting for his turn.
We.
Good.
ढूंढो
So
ढूंढना
searching is ढूंढना. Good. कौन सा word डालूं मैं? Alphabet डालूं मैं?
E, यार
C. Searching.
We.
Yay. So we know what searching means. ढूंढना, search करना, to look for
Search.
something.
Yes.
Perfect.
Search.
कितने हो गए? खोज करना. Very good. कितने हो गए words? 4.
और
What are these four words that we did today? Each one of you
Searching.
should give me one word.
searching
Searching. Oh yeah, that's the latest one. Which one else? What other words were there? Anirudh ने सारे note किए हुए हैं. Anirudh is giving us all the words. Good job. Say that again, Anirudh.
We for ball.
ओ अच्छा नहीं आप बता रहे थे ना बाकी कौन से वर्ड्स हमने किए.
कौन से वर्ड है?
We.
आपने कौन से वर्ड नोट कर रखे हैं बताओ.
Dog. Storm.
Storm.
Rat. Storm. Rat.
Stormed and दूसरा नहीं समझ आया मुझे.
Rat.
Rat. नहीं हमने कितने 4 S से वर्ड किए. Squirm,
spotless
stormed, spotless, searching. ये 4 वर्ड किए ना. लिखे ये सारे वर्ड्स लिखे थे. Who else is writing? Cyber, are you even writing? Ashish, Chirag, is anybody writing these words on a notepad and the meaning next to it? Chirag, show me where you're writing. I'm pretty confident you're not writing. Because you're holding the camera.
Ma'am, I am writing in my mind.
Okay, and if I quiz you tomorrow or next time, then you should know these words.
Yes, ma'am.
Searching. Duna.
Searching. Dhuna. Good. Okay.
Storm.
So hopefully this should be the last word. Otherwise, sometimes what it does is it just randomly selects the words, right? And it can do a repeat. So let's see whether this is a net new or a repeat. Let's start from the end. Saibal, you go for it this time.
U for umbrella.
U for umbrella.
Mm.
Oh, that's okay.
We.
Now, no, Anirudh, next turn is Chirag's. Chirag.
Hmm. Oh,
Oh, okay. Never mind. Anirudh, now you.
We.
Me?
We for van.
V for van. Okay. We tried. That's okay. Ashish.
He.
He.
Eleven.
Say that again.
11. He.
C.
No. He.
E.
11.
Elephant. E for elephant. Nice. Good job. Oh, good. It's there. Beautiful. Okay. Who's next now? Saibal again. Saibal?
P for queen. P for parrot.
P for parrot. Okay. Ooh. I think I know this one also now. Next is Chirag.
A.
I think it's there. Good. Anirudh.
L.
N.
L.
L. L for lion. Okay.
Yeah.
Very good. Very, very good. Ashish.
H.
S. Wow. S for snake.
H. Yeah.
Ooh. Ooh.
Special.
Special. Good job. So, how do you spell it?
SPECL. Special.
Special.
Special. What does special means?
Different.
Surprise.
Khas. Special. Important.
Khas.
Very good.
Sona.
Good. We did at least 2 out of 5, right?
Yes.
Good job, guys. We have gotten better. We've gotten much, much better. Okay, dokie. So shall we read a book? Everybody will get their turn. We can start with Saibul and then we go backwards. Okay? Or like we did last time, I'm going to repeat. No ways. Okay, let me stop sharing. Oh, because I have copied it twice here. Twice. Are you guys reading books or no? You're not at home?
No, ma'am.
You are? Oh, no. Reading a book is so important. I don't do it myself, unfortunately, but I would highly, highly recommend read a book every day. Before you sleep, read a book. Okay. Today's story, Dylan the Dragon and the Playground Ride. Okay, so I will start with this. This is just an introduction, and after that is the story. Yahan se story start hoti hai, but I'll start this. In this classic tale, Dylan learns to make friends despite obstacles. And when the happily ever after arrives, both the dragon and the reader have learned a thing or two about relationships. So what this story is the story is about relationships, rishton ke bare mein, correct? Ki how he was able to make friends despite musibatein aane. Obstacles means musibatein aane ke bawajood. So I think we should get started because we have about 15 minutes. Saibal, you can read the entire paragraph here.
Mountain. Off. Squirrel deep in the rocket.
Rocket stone.
Mountains of square.
Scotland.
Every day, the playful young dragons wake
Dragon.
up early in the morning and flew all around the mountains and the valleys looking for something to do.
Beautiful. Good job. किसी को समझ आया? Do you want to translate it, Saibal? हिंदी में बताना चाहोगे इसमें क्या बोल रहा है ये?
हाँ,
बोलो.
हिंदी में क्या बताऊं?
मतलब स्टोरी बताओ इसमें आपने क्या समझा? What did you understand from this paragraph?
Mountain.
हाँ.
Mountain
हाँ.
of square and every day the
हाँ.
playful young
साइबल हिंदी में बताओ, हिंदी में टेल मी इन हिंदी की व्हाट डज दिस मीन?
ड्रैगन एक माउंटेन होता है.
हाँ
मैम
बोलो.
हिंदी पता नहीं चलता है मैम.
हाँ जी.
हिंदी पता नहीं चलता है.
नहीं पता चल रहा?
नहीं पता नहीं चलता है.
अच्छा मैं समझाऊं? शुड आई ट्रांसलेट या किसी और को समझाना है कि क्या हुआ इसमें अभी इस पैराग्राफ में? What we want to do is we want to make sure we can read and we can also understand what's happening in the story, right? There are two things that are associated. One is reading, the other one is understanding. Anybody else wants to take a lead here and translate this for everyone? Chirag, Ashish, Anirudh? No?
It was the youngest blue. He saw the lived in the mountain.
Huh?
He ate off the stand every day.
Hmm.
He beautiful. He attended work on up early in the morning. He just flew around the mountain and the snow
Valleys?
valley looking something to do.
Huh? So what does this mean, Anirudh? इस स्टोरी का मतलब क्या है?
मतलब होता है कि माउंटेन होता है
हाँ?
इसको मतलब अभी समझा दो.
अच्छा, मैं बताऊं?
यस.
ओके, तो डिलन है एक ड्रैगन, एक यंग ड्रैगन है, ठीक है, और ब्लू ड्रैगन है वो रहता होता है कहाँ पे? माउंटेन्स ऑफ स्कॉटलैंड में, जगह जहां वो रहता होता है। एवरी डे, अब वो यंग है, प्लेफुल है, खेलना चाहता है, राइट? तो ये जो यंग ड्रैगन है वो जल्दी उठ जाता है सुबह, इन द मॉर्निंग, अर्ली मॉर्निंग ही वेक्स अप, राइट? और फ्लू करता है, फ्लाइट लेता है अराउंड द माउंटेन्स, वैलीज में।
रहता था, माउंटेन में रहता था,
हाँ, माउंटेन में रहता था, माउंटेन्स ऑफ स्कॉटलैंड में रहता था। करेक्ट करेक्ट। तो वो बता रहे हैं कि वो कहाँ रहता था, वो क्या करता था। वो फ्लाई अराउंड करता था और वो ढूंढता था टू डू समथिंग, कुछ करने के लिए ढूंढता था। जैसे हम जब सुबह उठते हैं, अगर हमारे पास, इफ वी डोंट हैव एनी स्केड्यूल, वी लुक फॉर व्हाट शुड वी डू टुडे, राइट? वी थिंक अबाउट इट, राइट? तो वो ड्रैगन भी सोच रहा है कि हमें क्या करना चाहिए। Cool. So far with me. So that's what is happening. He's flying around. He's looking for something to do. This is a blue dragon, and he lives in the mountains of Scotland. Okay. So Saibal के बाद Chirag, your turn. We're going ulta.
When he was hungry, he would go home to his cave where Mummy Dragon would have hot soup ready for his dinner.
अब translated क्या कह रहे हैं?
मैम ये कह रहे हैं कि जब उसे भूख लगती थी तो वो अपने घर जाता था और उसकी मम्मी उसके लिए गरम सूप डिनर के लिए तैयार रखती थी।
Very good. Good job. See, read करो, साथ साथ understand भी करो. And if you're not getting anything, I'm here to help. See, अब ये इसकी मॉम है, this is him, they are inside a cave, सूप गरम गरम, मुझे भी भूख लग रही है अब तो देख के।
मैम ड्रैगन भी सूप पी रहे हैं, बताओ।
हाँ देखो, ड्रैगन भी सूप पी रहा है। अब है किसकी टर्न? अनिरुद्ध ने नहीं पढ़ा ना? अनिरुद्ध, हाँ अनिरुद्ध, योर टर्न, फिर आशीष की आएगी।
Yours fishing and get early for tea.
Good.
I have we make your tutors
Favorite?
favorite day. Early,
Darling?
darling pea and storm.
Toad?
Spot top salmon pea.
Said Mummy Dragon.
The guns.
Dylan? Sighed.
In the
Eh.
side.
Eh,
So,
Thank
thank you, mountain.
thank you, Mom.
Thank you, mom.
you.
He said sadly.
Interesting, very very interesting. इसका मतलब बताओ अनिरुद्ध।
We are this उसको धो कौशिक से किलो धो It a clean.
Tea and green.
Neat and clean.
Yeah.
Favorite
Our favorite today.
हाँ.
ये खाता था.
tea and
Happy and then soup. To soup.
टोड सूप बनाया. टोड का सूप है.
Thank you. Mom, उसने कहा thank you mom.
Very good. So what's happening is उसकी mom कह रही है go clean yourself. I'm going to give you tea. चाय दूंगी मैं आपको, right? और मैंने आपके लिए something favorite बनाया है. Remember with they were talking about कि जब उसको भूख लगती थी तो वो जाता था कहाँ पे, केव में जाता था and he would drink soup जो उसकी मॉम ने बनाया हुआ था, राइट? तो वो यही बोल रही है कि मैंने तुम्हारा फेवरेट सूप बनाया है. पी एंड टोड सूप. टोड क्या होता है? फ्रॉग होता है, राइट? अनदर टाइप ऑफ छोटा सा फ्रॉग होता है. तो वो कह रहा है बट ही डजंट सीम टू बी वेरी एक्साइटेड. वो तो कह रहा है थैंक यू मॉम बट सैडली. तो अगर वो फेवरेट सूप है तो वो सैड क्यों है? आई एम क्यूरियस. लेट्स सी व्हाट हैपेंस. तो ये वो घर पे हैं, ये बोल रहे हैं क्लीन अप कराओ, चाय पियेंगे. ओके, सो नेक्स्ट वन इज आशीष. यू.
What we need is the mother
Matter.
stone
Sun.
sun
every day.
every day.
Every day.
Every day you come back home happily. Phone you thank
Tea.
Tea.
me food
But
but
today.
today you not
Look.
look so
Sad.
sad.
Inquired.
When
Mummy.
mummy
Dragon.
circle
ओके, गुड जॉब, वेरी गुड. तो हमने लास्ट वाले में सुना था ना कि ही वाज काइंड ऑफ सैड. ही साउंडेड सैड व्हेन हिज मॉम सेड दैट आई हैव मेड दिस फेवरेट सूप. तो वो शी इज आस्किंग व्हाट इज द मैटर सन, कि क्या हुआ बेटा? हर दिन तुम घर आते हो फॉर योर चाय तो you look happy, but today you look sad, so sad. मतलब काफी सैड दिख रहे हो. इंक्वायर्ड मतलब उसकी मम्मा ने पूछा. वो शी इज आस्किंग. तो देखते हैं क्या होता है. ओ, वो तो बाहर देख रहा है ऑलरेडी. ओह, इंटरेस्टिंग. ओके, आशीष के बाद था साइबल अगेन, राइट? या साइबल, वी विल रैप इट अप. ये जो नेक्स्ट राउंड करने के बाद साइबल ने सॉन्ग गाना था.
किसी के चोरी
साइबल, साइबल पहले ये सुना दो, उसके बाद सॉन्ग सुनाना. साइबल ये पढ़ो पहले एंड देन वी विल.
I am lovely, lonely mom. I cannot find anyone to play with in all the lakes, mountains, and village.
Valleys.
Stop. There stand a single dragon for me to play with. He
grumbled.
grumbled.
ग्रम्पी सा हो रहा है वो, गुस्सा सा, मैड सा हो रहा है वो. ओके, तो साइबल, डू यू वांट टू एक्सप्लेन व्हाट्स हैपनिंग हियर? डू यू अंडरस्टैंड द स्टोरी?
क्लियर नहीं है मैम, क्लियर नहीं है.
क्लियर नहीं है? ओके, तो आई एम गोइंग टू रिपीट द स्टोरी वन मोर टाइम. ओके, अब उसकी मॉम ने पूछा था व्हाट्स द मैटर, आप हमेशा खुश होते हो, आज इतने सैड क्यों हो? तो उसकी मॉम को वो बोल रहा है कि मैं अकेला हूँ, आई एम लोनली. मुझे कोई नहीं मिल रहा खेलने के लिए. सारे लेक, माउंटेन या वैलीज में जहां भी मैं जाऊं, अपने रॉक स्टोन में जहां पे वो रहता है, राइट, स्कॉटलैंड में, कोई भी सिंगल ड्रैगन नहीं है मेरे साथ खेलने के लिए. तो वो थोड़ा ग्रम्पी हो रहा है, थोड़ा इरिटेटेड है. ठीक है. उसके बाद एक और ये पेज कर देते हैं क्योंकि आई वांट टू लीव सम टाइम फॉर साइबल टू सिंग. तो नेक्स्ट, चिराग, डू यू वांट टू गो? Chirag, are you on mute?
Well, how about this for an idea? Why don't you fly down to the village playground and see if the children there want to play with you?
You want to translate it for everyone?
Mm, let me
नहीं?
ch-
अच्छा, मैं बोलती हूँ. ये तो easy है तुम्हारे लिए, नहीं?
Yes, ma'am. It's easy.
Then do it.
Yes, ma'am. मैम उसकी मम्मी कह रही है कि उसके पास एक आइडिया है कि क्यों ना तुम नीचे उड़ो विलेज की तरफ
हाँ.
प्लेग्राउंड एंड देखो कि कोई बच्चा तुम्हारे साथ खेलेगा क्या.
Perfect. Perfect. Beautiful. See, mom को idea आया. They are drinking tea. बात करते करते they are thinking that they are going to do. मुझे interest तो आ रहा है कि I want to read this, but I think we should give Saibal some time to sing. Saibal ने गाना तैयार किया है. Saibal, can you please sing a song for us? वही border का जो गाना.
हैं हमें तरपाते हैं चिट्ठियाँ आती हैं ओ बेघर लिखो कब आओगे कि तुम सुनाते हैं हमें तरपाते हैं तो चिट्ठियाँ आती हैं तो पूछे जाती है इधर कब आओगे इधर कब आओगे लिखो कब आओगे कि तुम भी क्या घर सुना है किसी दिल वाली ने किसी मत वाली ने ये खत लिखा है ये कि हमसे पूछा है किसी के सांसों में किसी के धड़कन में किसी के चोरी में किसी के कंगन में ठंडे से आते हैं हमें तरपाते हैं तो चिट्ठी आती है तो पूछे जाती है कि घर
कब आओगे? Good job.
आओगे लिखो कब आओगे कि तुम बिन यह घर सुना है.
Good job. Beautiful singing. Very nice. मजा आ गया यार. आज तो आपने नया गाना सुना दिया. Wonderful work. और चिराग का कमेंट पढ़ा आपने? चिराग क्या बोल रहा है? झकास.
थैंक यू
Good, good, good. All right. तो ये क्या करें? अभी हमारे पास 2 मिनट है. Do you want me to read the story जब तक 2 मिनट होते हैं या you want to get 2 minutes early? You want to get 2 minutes extra time? बोलो. Okay, I think we can wrap it up. Looks like मेरे dad का भी phone आ रहा है. Papa, WhatsApp call. So I'll take this call and I'll see you all next week. Words याद रखना because I'm going to quiz you on the same words. ठीक है? And फिर we'll continue the story.
Yes.
Thank you guys. Thank you
Okay,
so
ma'am.
much. Have a wonderful rest of the week.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Bye.
Bye.
Bye. Bye.
Bye.
Bye.